Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall NumPy from your system using the VS Code. So in order to do this, first let's open our VS Code and then head on to the terminal window. In the terminal window, you need to type in this following command, which is pip uninstall and then the package name, which in this case is NumPy. So we will be typing pip uninstall NumPy. Then once you have typed in the following command, simply hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, here you can see that it is asking me for a confirmation. In order to proceed, simply type in Y and then again hit the enter key. And here you can see this message which says successfully uninstalled NumPy version 2.2.3, which means NumPy has been successfully uninstalled from your system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.